Hey guys, Hippie here with a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to re-hair a Myers mask. So let's begin with the video. So what you're going to first need to do is draw these lines right here, and we may change these lines. So these lines are basically a way to know how, when, where to put the glue and where to put the hair. So I'm going to show you the materials you're going to need for this video. You're going to need rubber cement, container for rubber cement, and a lid. Little sticks for helping you put the things down. Maybe like 2 or 3 brushes, but probably just one. A box of latex gloves so you don't get rubber cement on your hands. And obviously you're going to need the hair. So let's begin. Okay, so once you cut it to all you want, make sure all the rest of the mohair is gone. And then you're going to have to spread out the mohair like this. And then we're going to put the glue on. So far, this is what I did. I put the glue down and laid the hair over and took out the rest, which we have this much still. And then what we're going to do now is take some rubber cement and lay it over like this. So the most of the hair is going to be attached. Okay, so this is what we have. Now we're going to do the other side, and then once we do that, we're going to try to trim it. So it's not a mullet like how it looks right here. So let's do that. Okay, so we have this much down. Now we're going to trim it to, I'd say, right here. And then we want to leave a lot on this edge right here. This little piece, so you could have those fangs that hang out, but you want to make it a little bit uneven, so because Michael's hair isn't even at all, or I mean even at the back, so you're gonna need like this, and then we're gonna fold it back when we're done like this, so the hair's gonna go right here. Now I'm gonna do a little time lapse of me doing the rest of the hair, and then when we get to the front, that's when I'm gonna stop. Feel free to slow this footage down and like do it with me, but I'm just gonna continue having that time lapse. Gonna do now is we're gonna do the front of the hair. Piece of hair on my brush. But what we're gonna do normally is just put the rubber cement, and then this time we're gonna put the hair down and let that dry for maybe an hour or 10 minutes, and then we're gonna fold the hair over so we could have that Myers slick back hair, and then we're gonna paint it black. So what you're gonna need to do is you could follow me here. We're gonna apply, hold on. You know what, I'm gonna get a new brush. So we're gonna use this right here. Brush it on, like so. Brush a little bit more. And then if you're wondering what type of hair I'm using, I got it from Etsy. It's called Chet's hair. It is about $6 on Etsy. Someone, I think it's Dan the Man. He said he used this hair, but he said he don't recommend it because it sheds a lot. But this is why I'm putting a whole bunch of hair. Okay. So what we're gonna need to do is put a large amount of hair in the middle right here, so we could have that middle hair piece. We're gonna take about, I'd say 40% of the hair off, and then we're gonna make it bigger, like this, and then we're gonna put it in the middle. Try to distribute the hair in the middle around. kind of looks like the ring right now with his hair. So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna take our stick. Take our stick, hold back the hair, and then pull the rubber cement up. You could test it by looking or pulling the hair over and seeing how it looks. Herring. I'm gonna spray paint it black, so it's a little darker. But I'm really happy how this turned out. It turned out better than my first time trying to hair something right here. This didn't turn out as well as this because I used latex on this, and latex is more runny than rubber cement. I'm really happy how this turned out, and this is my hairstyle I did on it. And if there is a few bald spots, you could just go over it and then with some rubber cement and put extra hair and then like pull the hair. But I agree with Dan the Man 84, I think that's his full name on YouTube. Shedland is not a really good thing to use for this. That's gonna be all for this video, guys, and see you guys in the next video.